Hey Aaron, we're riding our bikes on June 25th, and Aaron is riding and he's pushing me. He's making me go so fast, right Aaron? Are you making me go super fast? Whoa, super fast. And Julia is in the back there. You don't be shaky because then we'll crash. Let's see, where's Julia? We gotta wait for her. Alright. Okay. Oh, there she is. There's Julia. He's been going super fast.
No. Good.
Okay.
You're not cold?
Hey, Mujua. There. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi, you having fun today?
Yeah.
Gorgeous day.
It's beautiful.